In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving application of integration for JAMB Maths. So we have one repeated question under this topic to deal with. So let's get started. So the question here says, find the area bounded by the curve y equals this function. The ordinates x equals 1 and x equals 3 and the x-axis. Alright, now to solve basically a problem involving application of integration, used to involve area under a curve. Alright, you apply the pattern or method of solving definite integration to solve such a question. So let's write down this question. So this is the question. We have the function y equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so this axis we have, the higher value is upper limit, whereas the lower value is the lower limit. So we're going to apply the method of definite integration, and we know that definite integrals have upper and lower limits. So the upper limit for this question will be 3, lower limit will be 1. So this is the definite integral. Okay, so we have 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Let's put it in bracket dx of the function. So let's integrate what we have here. We're going to have 3x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1, then minus 2x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, then plus, when you integrate a constant, you're going to attach a variable which is x to it. Okay, so when you attach x to this one, this will give you 1 times x, which is the same thing as x. Alright, so let's break this down. This is the same thing as, we have 3x squared over 3 minus 2x squared over 2 plus x. So this will cancel this will cancel this. We are left with x, this is cube, okay, because 2 plus 1 is 3. So we are left with x cubed minus x squared plus x. Alright, now let's plug in the upper limit in this expression and see the output. So when you plug in 3, you're going to have 3 cubed minus 3 squared, okay, plus 3. So 3 cubed will give you, we have 27 minus 3 squared will give you 9, then plus 3. So we have 27 minus 9 will give you 18. 18 plus 3 will give you 21. Alright, so this is the output of the upper limit. Let's check the output of the lower limit. It will be plug in 1 in this expression as well. So when you do this, you're going to have 1 cube minus 1 square plus 1. So when you simplify, 1 cube is the same thing as 1. So you're going to have 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 plus 1, you're going to have the output to be 1. So the output of the lower limit is 1. At this juncture, you subtract the output of the lower limit from the output of the upper limit. So it will give you 21 minus 1, which will give you what? 20. And that will be the final answer to this question. The correct option is option A. So this is basically can do problems involving application of integration. The question is to revolve around area of a curve. Alright, so let's call it the video, guys. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me have a feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.